Welcome. Now that you have some working knowledge of BigQuery, what we are going to do in this module is load a publicly available big data set from Stack Overflow into BigQuery and then query the data warehouse. So let's get started. This video is showing you a demo of how you can load a publicly available data set. So you can go ahead and add data and look for publicly available data set. So it opens up a marketplace. So you can scroll down, look for the data set. In this use case, we are going to load the Stack Overflow data set that's available. So try to find it. If it's not, you can of course use the search capability to look for it. So once you look at it, you can go ahead and view the data set. So it opens up in another window on your browser and it gives you a lot of information about the data set itself. So how do we bring it into our data warehouse? So you're going to do a copy. So create your data set, give it a ID, specify the location. So it actually does a default allocation. So you'll have to select one of your project IDs that's already there, right? And then of course you have to do data transfer API enable, which you are by now familiar with from your earlier activity as well. And do a copy. So this is going to pop out something. It's going to tell you that, hey, your pop-up blocker is sort of blocking your pop-up screen. Go ahead, enable it on your browser, right? So here your authentication would come up. So you'll have to re-log in sort of using your Gmail ID. So I've just made sure for the privacy sake that it's sort of away from the recording window. So now you are sort of all set. So you should be having the Stack Overflow dataset along with your COVID dataset that you did for the earlier lab exercise, right? So I will let you go ahead and explore the dataset that we just loaded. So just get comfortable with the tables so that you can start to query them. All right, so you can explore them, right, while we get started on the querying part. So for this activity, after you have loaded the data set, what you are expected to do is answer a bunch of questions by writing the corresponding queries. Right, so this is also given to you as an assignment. So these are the bunch of queries that you will look at. So we want you to look at the different tables, post answers, post questions, etc. All right. In this module, we took a quick demo of how do we load a publicly available big data set from Stack Overflow into BigQuery. So go ahead and try it out, right? Once you load it, you can use the bunch of assignment questions to query the data warehouse. So I will see you in the next videos.